Instagram is awesome and you can scroll for hours, but at times it could be slightly distracting. I don't know about you. Well, if you'd like to get rid of that distraction and delete your Instagram account permanently, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's quick and easy, so let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is jump into our Instagram. You can see these delicious waffles over here. Let's not get distracted. So we're going to go down to the bottom of our page to our little profile picture. And from here, you will see at the top right, the three lines. We're going to tap on this. Now from here, you're going to look for Accounts Center, which should be at the top. Let's go into this and you'll see a bunch of options, but we're going to come all the way down and look for account settings, and just under account settings you'll see personal details. Let's go into there. Here you can see your personal details, and at the bottom the very last option is account ownership and control. Now once you go in there, you'll have the deactivation or deletion option. Let's tap on that and you can see here you're going to select the account that you would like to deactivate or delete. The next step, you need to either deactivate or delete. Now, in this case, we want to permanently delete the Instagram account. So let's select it. Click on continue. And here you will choose a reason to delete your account. So whatever it is, you're going to go ahead and tap that and tap on continue. And you will no longer have this Instagram account. Now, it will take some time for it to be actually deleted. But thereafter that period, it will be permanently deleted. I hope this video was helpful.